Thank you for tuning into Mr. Mitsubishi. This video here is going to be about the 2023 Outlander PHEV LE trim level. It's a Canadian spec LE trim level. We'll do a walk around and we'll have a look at inside and outside. We'll see what exactly the LE trim level comes in compared to the ES base model. So in Canadian market, it starts with ES and then LE is next one up. So the price difference to upgrade is about $4,700, but you get a lot of options with it, and we'll have a look at this in this video here. So this here is titanium gray color. By the way, it's called Mercury Gray in US. It's the same color as titanium gray, just different names for different countries. So the color code it's same, it's U17 for both, to those who are interested in color codes. So right now let's check out the interior, and then we'll move on to the exterior differences compared to ES trim level. As we get closer to the door, we can see that this one has heated power folding rear view mirrors with integrated turn signals, right? So this part right here, it's integrated turn signal. You don't have that on ES, you do have it on SC, so that's a very nice feature. You're more visible to other cars and pedestrians and, you know, cyclists and whatnot, right? So when you blink this turning signal, everybody sees you're turning. Then you also have this keyless entry pad, right? So this one here, if the key is in your pocket, you just press the button and that locks and unlocks the vehicle. So we can see how we lock it and the mirrors fold down. We unlock it, the mirrors fold up. Okay, let's have a look at the interior, and there's many things that you upgraded compared to the base ES trim level. I think the money, the $4,700 you spent on the upgrade is money well spent, because for $4,700 you get a lot of options. So let's start first things first. You do have, when it comes to interior, you have this massive big sunroof. So right now part is closed with shade, part is open. The sunroof size is super big. I like it. Almost the entire roof is covered with sunroof. And then these seats here, they're suede seats. Look how nice this middle part looks. It looks very nice and sporty. That's upgraded as well. And then you do have 8-way powered adjustable seat for the driver. So you don't have that in base, you have that in this one here. So everything that we talk about right now, it comes upgraded with SC trim level, or sorry, with the LE trim level, because the base, the ES, has super all-wheel control, 7 seats, and so forth. So this stuff that we're talking about, we only talking about differences ES compared to this particular model. So let's jump in. So this also has 3-way climate control. So you have for the, you know, driver can adjust his temperature, passenger can adjust his temperature, and the rear, the second row passengers can adjust it as well. These mirrors, by the way, we talked about them, right? So that they fold. They also are heated mirrors, and they heat together with rear defroster. So if you turn the rear defroster on, you're also turning the rear view mirrors on as well. So that's a important thing to know. Okay, let's just start it and we're gonna get going. I really like this graphic, how it actually starts. Like it a lot. So now what else we have here? Good. We have this 9-inch Smartlink Display with TomTom Navigation. So we have this map button right here, and TomTom Navigation is now standard on this trim level and above, and also it's 9-inch, so it's bigger. And by the way, on this one you also get Apple CarPlay wireless, so you don't need to plug any wires in, so it wirelessly connects and you have the Apple CarPlay. That's very good to have. Another thing that you have is heated steering wheel, so you have right here. So that's in the winter time, that's definitely one of my absolutely favorite options to have. Can't live without it in wintertime. I guess I'm spoiled. 360 camera we have, so we put it in reverse and we see how we have 360 camera. So these lines show you where you're gonna end up if you go that direction, and this gives you this bird's eye view. MOD stands for moving object detection, so you do have that feature as well in this vehicle. Now what else you got? You got Mitsubishi Connect App connectivity, so you can remotely control the vehicle from any location, goes through the satellite. You can start it, preheat it, cool it off, whatever you want. I made you know, some videos, comparison videos in this channel on the app. So if you just browse the channel, if you're new with the channel, you'll find them right there. So there we go. We just covered the interior differences. To recap them very quickly, you do have panoramic sunroof, these suede seats right here, 8-way power adjustable seat, 3-zone climate control, heated steering wheel, 9-inch screen with TomTom Navigation and wireless CarPlay. You have 360 camera and Mitsubishi app. So now that we cover that, we can have a look from the outside to see what's different and what's upgraded. What extra would you be getting if you would be upgrading to SC trim level? So if we go on the front, you do have LED lights, and this lower part right here is painted in silver. So on the base model, you have plastic and you don't have any fog lights. There's a lot of people who appreciate those fog lights, who like them, want them. So if you're one of them, this is a serious argument why you should go with this LE trim level compared to SC. So you also have silver painted roof, these roof rails. Obviously don't have them in the ES. And a big one is power adjustable tailgate. So you don't have the kick motion anymore. Mitsubishi took that away due to chip restriction on 2023 models, but you do have power adjustable tailgate. So again, base, it's just a manual, right? But on this one here, you can do it automatically like this, and then you can close it either from here or with the key fob, or again you can close it with a button from inside of the vehicle. 2 buttons right here. So this one is going to close the tailgate, this one is going to close the tailgate and it'll lock it. But right now the vehicle is running, so it's not going to lock it if it's running. There we go. We just checked out this beautiful Outlander LE trim level. It's Canadian spec and comes with all of these options for just $4,700 extra compared to the base model. I think it's worth considering, money well spent, especially you're getting sunroof, upgraded seats, navigation, power tailgate and everything else. Very, very nice options like that. So wait times, by the way, are improving here at Tri-City Mitsubishi in Port Coquitlam. If you want no markup deal on MSRP, we guarantee you that. So there we go. Come and visit us. We always have a test drive unit right there, white Outlander SCL. Customers are in it right now, just about to take it out for a drive. Many more happy customers in-house as well. So there we go. Thank you so much for checking it out, and see you next videos.